Imagine having the power of a whole team of specialists at your fingertips, all wrapped up in one standout application. Welcome to Superhero AI. This is the breakthrough tool that every content creator, marketer, agency, and entrepreneur has been waiting for. A game changer in the world of artificial intelligence. Are you tired of juggling multiple expensive subscriptions just to keep up with the ever-evolving digital landscape? Superhero AI eliminates that hassle by consolidating all your AI needs into a single, user-friendly dashboard. Say goodbye to app-switching nightmares and hello to seamless operation, where everything you need is just one click away. With Superhero AI, you can unleash your creativity like never before. Jump into AI content creation with features that allow you to generate stunning 4K images and cinematic visuals in mere moments. Need to communicate globally? Our VoiceMorph technology creates human-like voiceovers in over 50 languages, opening doors to new audiences and markets. Think about it. Your message can reach anyone, anywhere. But that's not all. Superhero AI lets you build custom chat assistants tailored specifically to meet your business needs. Imagine having your very own branded AI chatbot, ready to engage and support your customers 24/7. And don't worry about outdated information. Our real-time internet data feature ensures that you have access to the latest content and research, keeping you ahead of the curve. Strong coding skills? Not a problem. Superhero AI's AI coding powers allow you to instantly create pages, scripts, and tools that can elevate your projects in no time. And for those who need to write high-converting sales pages or ad copy, our AI script and copy generator takes the guesswork out of creating compelling content. Plus, with a commercial license included, you can generate and sell AI assets with full control over your profits. No more worrying about what you can or cannot do with your creations. Still skeptical? With our 30-day money-back guarantee, you can explore all these powerful features risk-free. This is your chance to save over $12,000 annually, money that can be reinvested into your growing business. So, if you're looking to supercharge your creativity, scale your operations, and enjoy the profitability that comes with harnessing the best of AI technology, join the revolution with Superhero AI today. Thank you for watching. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insights and updates. Let's evolve together in this AI-powered future.